Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explore AOMEI Backupper Professional, a complete and reliable backup and recovery software for Windows users. Whether you're protecting personal data or managing system backups, this tool makes it simple and secure. Let's get started. First of all, what is AOMEI Backupper Professional? AOMEI Backupper Professional is an advanced data backup and recovery software designed to keep your files, systems, and entire drives safe from data loss. It allows you to back up your system, clone disks, and restore everything whenever you need, even after a crash, virus attack, or hardware failure. It's built for users who want powerful protection with an easy-to-use interface. Now let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of AOMEI Backupper Professional. System backup and restore. Create a full image of your Windows system for instant recovery. File and folder backup. Backup specific files, folders, or entire partitions. Disk cloning. Upgrade or replace your hard drive without reinstalling Windows. Incremental and differential backup. Save time and space by backing up only changed data. Automatic schedule. Backup. Set it once and let AOMEI back up your data automatically. Bootable media creation. Recover your system even if Windows fails to boot. So, who can benefit most from AOMEI Backupper Professional? AOMEI Backupper Professional is perfect for office workers who need to protect important documents, students who want to secure their project files, photographers and video editors with large media files, IT professionals managing multiple systems, and even casual users who want peace of mind knowing their data is always safe. Now, one of the most common questions is AOMEI Backupper is safe to use? Yes, AOMEI Backupper Professional is 100% safe and trusted by millions of users worldwide. It's verified, free from malware, and designed to protect your data without slowing down your PC. Now, how to use AOMEI Backupper. Using AOMEI Backupper is very simple. Just follow these steps. Download and install AOMEI Backupper Professional. Open the software and click on the Backup tab. Choose what you want to back up: system, disk, partition, or specific files. Select the destination drive. Click Start Backup and let AOMEI handle the rest. Now, if you want to unlock all premium features like cloning, auto backup, and lifetime updates, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So that's everything about AOMEI Backupper Professional, your trusted partner for data safety and system recovery. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay safe.